Hey, it's Andrew Brown, and in this follow along, we're going to look at how to search and filter issues. So I'm going to make my way over to Rails because they should have a lot of issues. 455, that's not a small amount. And let's take a look at what we can filter by. So we have open issues and pull requests. So we can do that. We have your issues, so things that you're assigned to. We have your pull requests, which I'm confused why. Oh, you know what it is? It's flipping me between the two things. So it's suggesting that these interfaces are the same. I didn't even notice that. Okay. So your pull request, notice we changed tabs. We can go back to your issues over here. We have everything assigned to you and then everything you're mentioned in. Okay. So assigned, mentioned, the ones you opened, and then things that are open for pull requests or issues. It's weird that like they have this one joined, but this one's separate. I have no idea why. Another thing that we should make note of is these filters here, because they might say, hey, are you able to filter based on project? Hey, are you able to filter based on assignee or sort or filter? So these are basically, these are broad filters, and then these are very specific filters, like very, very specific. And then we have our sort over here where we can sort some stuff. But yeah, you'll need to know this stuff, this, and the advanced search syntax. So I have some written out here. We can play around with it a bit and see what we can do. So let's see what we can do. We can say is issue, and that seems to be a thing. So we'll go ahead and hit enter there. So yes, it's an issue. We could say no assignee. Okay, so nobody's assigned to it. We could put label active support. So we're filtering based on this one here. Let's see if that works. Cool. And I wonder if we could do like some generic text search. So maybe we could just say replace on the end here. And notice that it's picking up, I think that, like, let's try caches. Caches. Okay, so we're kind of getting that. It might be in the contents of it, but it is trying to search for it. We could also say something like there's 0 comments. So let's say comments 0. So those ones have 0 comments. And so that gives you an idea of how that works. So, hopefully that is pretty straightforward. But yeah, the filters is the same for pull requests and issues. And, if there's more to it, we could click here and you can read through all the options. But for the most part, you can pretty much figure it out and guess based on what kind of options you have over here that you could filter by. But you'll see in the next one, okay? Ciao.